Welcome to the First Service Residential Budget Training video. My name is Jennifer Bishop, and I'm a property manager in the Kansas City, Missouri area. I'm going to take you through step-by-step how to create your budget. But when we do this today, I'm going to pretend that it is July 2018. And so we are going to be preparing the budget for 2019. First, you're going to need some documents. You're going to need your contracts, insurance policy, accounting documents, and your dues and or assessments amount for the 2019 year. So let's talk about your insurance policy, what this may look like. You'll need to know the renewal term on your insurance policy. Are there different renewal terms for each policy? So for example, does your D&O policy renew at a different time as your liability policy? Is it paid monthly or is it in one lump sum? And what is the average rate of increase if you do not know what the increase is going to be? For example, this evidence of insurance shows that the effective date is November 22nd, 2017 to November 22nd, 2018. If it is July 2018, I obviously do not know what the increase is going to be in November 2018. You can either estimate this with a percentage, or you can contact your insurance agent and he may be able to provide you an estimate. We'll get into this in detail once we start preparing our budget. Contracts. Make sure you're pulling all your contracts for your property, management agreement, trash, waste, yard waste, recycling contracts, landscape, snow removal contracts, pool contract, elevator agreement, security services, any other agreement or contract that you have on the property. When you're looking at your management agreement, you'll want to look at the effective date. The effective date on this one is January 1st, 2019, and the management fee is $1,082. Now, if the effective date is in the middle of the year, we'll want to make note of that because we'll want to change the rate during the middle of the year. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice that this is the grounds maintenance contract. And here you'll see that mows there are 30 mows a year. The cost per occurrence is $347, giving you an annual cost of $10,410. This is very important because when you're putting together your budget, you're going to be itemizing each one of these lines. Spring and fall cleanup is going to be under its own GL code. Mowing is going to be under its own GL code. Chemical treatment, and so on and so forth. In the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, this is an example of a trash contract. And you'll notice as I circled there, price firm for 1 year, price increase not to exceed 3% per year. So, you may want to schedule a 3% increase annually just in case. Accounting documents from GenArc. These GL codes may change, so please make sure you contact your accountant to make sure that this is accurate. But these are the financial statements that you're going to want to retrieve. Your current budget. So if you're preparing a 2019 budget, you're going to want to pull your 2018 current budget. Your monthly forecast versus budget. So if it is July 2018, when we are pulling the monthly forecast versus budget, you're going to pull the forecast and budget sheet from June 30th, 2018. What this will do is this will give you January through June 30th, 2018, the actual income and expenses, and then July 2018 to December 31st, 2018, the budgeted numbers, giving you a full 12-month overview with actuals and budget. You'll also need your operating income statement for 3 years. Since 2018 has not been completed yet, you'll want to pull 15, 16, and 17. You'll also want your 12-month actual reserve, and this is going to show you what you have spent in 2018 for your reserves. You'll want to pull your operating income statement as of June 30th, 2018. Reserve income statement as of June 30th, 2018, and your balance sheet as of June 30th, 2018. Please note that you'll be using quite a few different things from each one of these documents. For example, your estimated ending balance, you're going to use two different documents. You're going to use your balance sheet as well as your monthly forecast versus budget. Dues and assessments. You may have annual dues or monthly dues. Annual dues are typically charged once a year. You may have a board or your HOA documents state that it may be split up into 2 payments. In order to come up with your annual dues, the formula is annual dues per home times the number of homes in the community, which equals your annual dues income. Now, your monthly dues, you may be based upon square footage of the unit, or your monthly dues may be a set amount. This may require a dues income spreadsheet to find the total. I've provided an example here. This shows a percentage. This also shows the square footage. Make sure that you're looking at your documents to ensure that your monthly dues are set at the correct rate. Once you have collected all of the documents, you're ready to start your budget. So let's get started.